How to make that woman climax quickly, and when I say quickly, I mean really quick. In less than 5 minutes, I'm going to give you a powerful step-by-step guide that you'll be able to apply to any woman, whether it's your wife, girlfriend, fling, or that girl you picked up at the club and took to the motel. She will orgasm very quickly and intensely, becoming truly addicted to your sex. But before I give you these tips, I want to ask you to go down below, leave a like on the video, as it helps me and ensures that this video gets recommended. I also understand that you enjoy this type of content, and I'll continue to bring you more of these sexual lessons to help you become a master in bed. The first step to making a woman orgasm is to make her feel comfortable and secure. How do you do that? You need to talk to her. Don't just go in there and do your thing. You need to create a context with her, talk about sex. If she's your wife, for example, during the day, you can text her about how you're going to pleasure her tonight. Describe in detail what you're going to do to her. Women like that. They like when a man describes what he's going to do to them. It adds to the eroticism, and she starts imagining things, getting excited, anticipating the moment. So that's the first step, getting her intrigued, thinking about it with desire. The level of her arousal will increase as you make her feel comfortable, talking to her, creating a nice atmosphere. The second step, you absolutely cannot forget about good foreplay. This starts from the moment you're heading to bed, or wherever you're going to have sexual intercourse. So, give her a good kiss, a good touch, a firm grip on the neck, on the buttocks, a passionate, enveloping kiss. And then, you have to use your mouth. I doubt you don't like that. Use your lips, your tongue to explore her body, kiss the erogenous zones, whether it's the inner thighs, the inner arms, the groin, the neck, the sides of her body, the spine. All of these are erogenous zones, and you can use your tongue, your lips, even nibble a little bit on all these areas. Another thing to help you out is to use a vibrator, which will intensify her pleasure even more. So, while you're kissing her, you can start running your hands all over her body, getting her really excited. You can even do this during the kiss, mix it all up. After that, let's say you're on her inner thigh, running your tongue along it, then move your tongue up to her groin, pass it over her groin, then move your tongue along her groin, passing over her labia, until you get to her clitoris. This is what will make her climax really quickly. Don't spend too much time there, as her body will already be prepared, her arousal level will be high. So, when you get to her vagina with your tongue and your mouth, she will climax very quickly. But then, we get into the part where you have to know how to perform good oral sex, to suck her in the right way, make all the movements correctly with your tongue, so that she really orgasms in 5 minutes. But, Amanda, can this woman orgasm from oral sex with just my mouth? Yes, it is possible, and you can see all the testimonials on the screen from men who have managed to make a woman climax quickly from oral sex using the technique I taught them. My friend, in oral sex, I teach a technique where you stimulate the 2 main pleasure organs of this woman that are there just to give her pleasure, make her orgasm, and get excited for you. So, one of them is the clitoris, which has over 8,000 nerve endings, twice as many as the head of your penis, which is why you can cause a much more intense orgasm in this woman. Do you know what the other one is? You definitely don't know. You have to stimulate these 2 erogenous points in this woman at the same time. So, I invite you to watch a practical class on oral sex, a double stimulation, which is available down below in the description of this video.